But don't take my word for it.
I'm making some vegan oatmeal cookies. I have 2 cups of oats, 1 banana, and I'm gonna add 4 seedless dates. One teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a cup of maple syrup, two teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of allspice, I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna add 1 small box of raisins to the oatmeal cookies. Okay, that's about 1 box. And I'm gonna mix it up and we'll form the cookies. Okay, here are the oatmeal cookies. I still have some batter left over here. I may have placed these too close together, but we'll see whether or not they spread or not. But they are in the pan. I did add some avocado oil to the bottom of the pan, so hopefully they won't stick. Okay, I added the last of the mixture in these little silicone cupcake molds. So they should make some nice small cookies, and they should be very easy to remove from the molds. Let the oatmeal cookies cool for about 20 minutes. Thanks for watching Betty's Cooking Channel.
This one is a window that she wants to be able to